Hello, I want to thank you for taking this course, and I want to especially welcome you to the How to Start a Profitable Side Business course, the step-by-step approach to starting your first or your next side business. I want to spend some time here to walk through the outline for this course and go through some of the key learning outcomes that you will get at the end of this course. So let's get started. So in this course, we have 10 modules. The first module, we're going to start by talking about why business, why it is important to move from an employee to owning a business. So we'll go through some of the benefits of owning a business. In module number 2, we'll discuss some foundational business finance. So here we'll go through the different structures you need to start a business, and then we'll discuss the language of business. In other words, how do you read and understand your profit and loss statements, your balance sheet, and go through some of those key building blocks when it comes to business finance. In module number 3, we'll go through some things you should consider before you start a business. Right, so we know business is not for everyone. It is important to consider this before you start jumping into a business. In module number 4, we go through the overview of the 3 key things you need to start a business. And in module number 5, we will identify your market. In other words, how do you know which market to choose? And we go through the 3 major markets and go through some of the things you consider in terms of niching and finding your ideal customer. Module number 6, we'll go through some personal and business branding. Building a brand is so important in business, and so we'll discuss some of that. Module number 7, we go through how you create an irresistible content and free giveaways. And so that is important. You need to engage with your ideal customers, and so you need to provide them with content. You need to provide them with some key free resources that are very useful, that they will find useful, and that will entice them to want to do business with you. Essentially, you're using that to build trust. In module number 8, we'll go through how you build and grow your email list. So the email list of clients and of potential customers is essential to your business, because you need to have a list of people that can potentially buy from you. Module number 9, we discuss how you create an offer. How do you create an offer that is attractive to your potential customers? How do you create an offer that people will want to buy? So we discuss some of that. And finally, in module number 10, we discuss briefly some of the key attributes of direct response marketing and why that is so important when it comes to getting your products and services out there. So get ready and let's dive into module number 1 in the next section of this course.